Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to style a text in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our project. From here we have to select one that we want to work on. And then when we are in this menu, we tap on text. And this opens up all of the text boxes that we have in our project. Now we have to select one that we want to edit on style. Let's say it's this one. And then in the bottom bar, we find a lot of buttons and a lot of options that we can choose from. We tap on style. And here we have different fonts, different style options, and different effects, bubbles and animations. And from here we can select and set the ones that we like. After we are done, we tap on OK, and this saves the text with the styling. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.